Eighth graders at Bloomfield Middle School got some words of wisdom from a Delta pilot. He was one of several guest speakers from the Organization of Black Aerospace Operators who visited the school today. 41 NBC's Elaine Rackley was at the event and brings us more.
Some Bloomfield Middle School students shared stories and took part in a Q&A session with Delta airline pilot Ernest Taylor. Taylor told the 8th graders he got his pilot's license when he was in high school, and he told them about his first emergency landing.
But I was able to glide the airplane actually to an airport and land on the runway, not hurting the airplane, not hurting myself. I was scared to death. I got out of the airplane, my leg was shaking like that.
Taylor is a member of the Organization of Black Aerospace Operators. They've teamed up with community in schools to bring professionals and leaders into the classroom to share career opportunities with students.
Science, technology, engineering, and math are areas that we're a little bit lax in having minority participation, but we want to encourage them and show them that it can be fun and there are job opportunities out there.
One student says she hasn't quite narrowed down her career plans, but she knows exactly where she wants to go to college. A couple of speakers made quite an impression on the 8th grader.
I like the pilot's sense of humor during his talk to us. And I like the information that the marine biologist gave because that is one of my career path choices.
Dorian Mitchell wants to go to UCLA and become a neurologist, but he says Taylor left him thinking about other careers before becoming a surgeon.
The best thing he had said to me was, well, to all of us is that don't stay on one thing forever, because once you on that one topic, your life becomes a constant and becomes boring. So it's best to have a variety and have different jobs and careers that you want to do in life.
In Macon, Elaine Rackley, 41 NBC News.
The students featured in our story, Coquise Jackson and Doran Mitchell, actually won a dream flight with that Delta pilot. The drawing was held after the students were dismissed from the forum, so neither Jackson nor Mitchell had any idea they won when we talked to them. The winning kids will get to ride in the cockpit with the pilots during an actual flight. Pretty cool.